What's up, my beautiful kings and queens? We out here, and today I'm about to enjoy this lovely salad. Crispy chicken breast, popping with my Italian and my pita bread. Italian dressing, that is. This came from Bobos off of what? Central and what is that? Central and Manchester? I don't know. Bobos, good. One time. I guess I can. Boom. Here we go. They want my Italian. I have to enjoy this little food before I get to work. And I told you I've been wanting to keep it light lately. And then some of y'all express that I need to keep it light. Y'all don't want to be wanting to see me eat all these fatty foods and stuff. And it's so good. I wish I had blue cheese. I would say ranch, Thousand Islands, and Italian. I'm like, well, damn. Some options those are. This side got egg. It look like iceberg lettuce, egg, cheese, little cherry tomatoes, a cherry stick. They know they wrong for that. In my salad though, I could have shaved it up like this cheese. Y'all know better than that. Bobos. Y'all see my little tablecloth? Paper towel, gang, 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 gang. I don't touch this table. Everybody at the, everybody at my job when they finna eat, they always lay down paper towels. It's like, bitch, I am not gonna be putting my food on this table. Especially because everybody share lunch spaces. Yeah, I got grilled, no, I got crispy chicken salad. So good. I do not want to come back to work, y'all. I just been living it up these past few days, okay? Baby's not in the right mental space to come hit the clock. A little pita. I guess I give you that to fill you up a little more because, eating a salad don't really fill you up. So let me give you 2 slices of pita bread to kind of go with that. Oh, that egg in here. There we go. Y'all get into it. I could have made this at home, but baby didn't have time. It be too hot in that house. I ain't about to be trying to prepare nothing. I don't care if it is low heat to no heat. Handle me? Who gonna handle me? He think he a player, but he a member on the team. Is that how the words go? I don't know, but that's a catchy part for me. Handle me? Who gonna handle me? Ooh, celery. Okay, so I'm convinced that they threw some carrot and celery sticks in this bitch and call it a salad. Like, chop my shit up more. But that celery was refreshing right now, so I ain't gonna front like I didn't like it. I just want my food chopped up. Y'all know it's been a real hot boy summer for me lately. I just don't want summer to end. I got school starting back at the end of the month. I need one more trip. Especially because I'm already planning for something later on in the end of the year. I need one more trip before school starts back. Just one more, Lord, one more. Mm. Oh, y'all see my green screen background? I wish I did have a fucking green screen background. I'm popping, but I ain't stop popping it. Ooh, look at that chicken with that cheese on it. Handle me? Who's gonna handle me? He thinks he's a player, but he really on the team. It's really crunchy. I love iceberg lettuce. It'll be so crunchy, and it goes with everything. Don't get me wrong, I like other lettuces, especially the peppery kind. Or give me a good greens, like some mustard greens, ooh, or some kale. I'm here for it, but you can never go wrong with a good old fashioned crunchy iceberg lettuce. Let me get some chicken. Let me get some chicken. Look at that celery again. This is gonna be a real quick video. I'm gonna stop trying to draw my videos out long. I even be getting bored of watching them when they too damn long. Like, Tone, come on now. You ain't that popping for 20 minutes yet, bro. Oh, it helps that I eat fast, too. I'm going some more Italian. I don't put too much because it's already really doused. And Italian dressing. I'm so not ready for school to start back. But I am ready to finish school. I just don't want my summer to end. This summer has been so lit for me. Like, yeah. Some egg. Dip that shit in. Italian dressing. Oh, well, you know, all I have is chicken left. How did that happen? Maybe because I wanted it to. Mm-hmm. Press, 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 press. Sonny don't need more press. I love that song. Ding dong. Mm. I'm out singing in my head. Money still long like weed. Pussy still wet like Florida. It's quiet in him. I'm gonna be full. But I'm just glad I don't feel heavy. Like, I don't want to eat like that all my life. I gotta maintain this body yada yada. Body yada yada. I got a cold little water up in here. And then one of my coworkers, she gave me an orange from her orange tree. I call her TT at work. You know, play auntie, play mamas, all that, all that. Mm. Mm. Okay, I'm gonna wrap the last piece of chicken and this bacon. Get into it. Yes, it's dripping with Italian dressing. And I'm just gonna see how it goes together with this pita. I'm so good right now, y'all. I could actually go out there and like, well, not work because I'm not gonna work, but I can go out there and actually look, see what's going on, be involved, be engaged. And in the meantime, while we're watching this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave me some comments, like my videos, and share my videos. That's all I'm asking. Comments, I need comments in order to know what you like. But I'm just out here, pretty much. I'm here for y'all. Let me know what I need to do. But I've been so appreciative of all the support that I've been getting. Oh my God, like, I'm so appreciative. Like, all the feedback, comments, the love. Y'all be fucking with me. And I appreciate that shit. But that's it for today, y'all. I'm about to clean up my mess. I'm about to have a good work day. Remember, don't forget your chicken salad from Bobos. Right there off of Central and Manchester. Located next to the Burger King. Yeah. But we don't fuck with Burger King, bitch. Alright, I'm out. Love you, royalties. Love you, royalties.